The Wolf and the Lamb. Once a lamb strayed from the fold, wandering away from the flock into the hills. A wolf came upon the lamb, but did not want to attack him without some type of justification or excuse.
"You there, sheep! Last year you insulted me. I do not forget such things,"
said the wolf. "No, no," said the sheep. "I had not been born yet then. It could not have been me."
"No matter. You feed upon my grass in my pasture," said the wolf.
"I have not yet tasted grass," said the little lamb.
"You drink from my spring over yonder."
"No," said the lamb. "My mother's milk has been both my food and my drink till now."
"Well, I shall not go without supper no matter what you say,"
said the wolf as he fell upon the helpless lamb and devoured it. A tyrant will always find an excuse for his behavior.